Right, that's everything now. It's all sealed now. The frame is now in. All the wires are connected now for the hoppers. Both hoppers now are working and on. So that's all done now. All the wiring's all checked. I've gone through everything, make sure there's no breaks or cracks in any of the wires. I've stuck a load of it down as well so it don't move anywhere. What else have I done? Oh, I filled the front noses up with expanding foam, so there's more buoyancy to it now. So I think even if it fills up with water, with the polystyrene and the foam, at least the nose should be floating on it, so I don't think it will sink. The batteries are not that big and not that heavy, to be truthful. So that's it. I put the handle on, slightly different on the handle. So handle's now on. I've just bent some quite heavy gauge steel and just put some shrink wrap over it. And I've siliconed it in all the way through. When I put this back together again, I'm going to fill that channel completely with this glue that I'm using. This glue is just nuts. It goes off really hard. Tiger Seal. Really good stuff. Quite impressed. Quite impressed. I've checked it all the lights, the hoppers work, motors all seem to work. Everything seems to work as it should. So tomorrow I start sticking it all together and putting the top on, and then she's done. And then I'll stick it in the bath and see if any water comes in. No water can get to the back of these because I've completely sealed these in on both sides. So this whole front area is pretty well a bubble for the whole thing. There's only just that little bit at the bottom of the boat that isn't got any buoyancy to it. Everything else is pretty well buoyant, so it's definitely not going to sink. But tomorrow I'll stick it in the bath and make sure the motors run as they should. One sounds a little bit dry, but we'll stick it in the bath and see how much water it pumps. And then I've got to find a venue that allows me to use one. That could be fun. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Let's see what else I can find to play with. Be lucky, people.